My name's Ken Grier from Macallan, and I'd just like to talk about innovation engineering, which is a really breakthrough way, which is not just about great ideas, it's about so much more than that. It's a complete business operating system at an absolute gold standard level, doing this in a way that's completely unique from the way that anybody else does it in the world. But what it does for us, it gives us a process and a way of getting from leaping into the dark with new innovation ideas, quickly, cost effectively, and in a way that really works through to genuine business results. And the big thing about it is a complete system. It's an absolute process, not just an idea generation workshop. It's a complete way of looking at your business. It's so much more than innovation. It is about developing your business in a really cost effective, proven manner that both motivates your employees and gets you genuine business gains. The thing I've found about Innovation College is it gives you a completely different perspective on leading and managing businesses. Businesses have to be fast moving, have to adapt really rapidly. This gives you the tools to really think in a very different, dynamic way. It engages and involves people, it broadens your skill set, and most of all, it gives you a completely holistic view of how to really develop and change your business in a way that's proven. Innovation College completely changed my perspective in a number of ways. Firstly, it means you're actually operating with a whole diverse group of people you wouldn't normally spend time with. The second is it's really about stretching business problems. It's about really looking at things from the outside in as opposed to the inside out. It's about learning completely new skills, joining the dots to have something that is really powerful and really works. I think Accelerator is probably the most powerful new business generation tool that I've been privileged to be involved with. It's been fun, it's been tiring, it's been stretching, it's been motivating, and the difference that we've made from the first day in the Accelerator through to now at the end of it has been extraordinary. We're making leaps that would normally take months in days and in hours. And the motivating effect on developing our talent pool, on getting them to work together and to do really meaningful work has been extraordinary. I think a big benefit of Innovation Labs 3.0 is the fact it's part of a total business system. It really does fit into a way of looking at business in quite a dynamic way and a way that really works. What we found is by using the blue cards, it really focuses our thinking on the things that are strategically important for the business. The really big stuff that you should put your time and resource and people on. Once we've gone through that, you can very quickly get on to using all the tools that are provided there to come up with really leading edge ideas, but in a way that is actually fun, safe, and a lot of the tools that are now being used, both the rigor of the system to give you not only great ideas, but the math game plan and ways of running that through to completion through a series of fail fast, fail cheap tests. That is really revolutionary and very new. But it's so much more than that because the software tools that go to back this up are genuinely leading edge. They make things faster, they make things easier, they make things more incisive, they make things more fun, and they just help the whole process. I think this is the most complete business development system that I've ever witnessed, and one of the most effective business building tools in the world. The thing that's interesting to me, it has been a mix of personal one-on-one experience in improving, writing better concepts, getting to better product solutions, but actually the speed and ease with which things like Idea Coach have been able to kick your ideas up a notch quickly has been incredible. The idea of idea doubling, of using remote team members, external experts, has been enormously powerful, getting different perspectives around the world in real time, involving many other people in the process throughout the business that couldn't attend. And it really has been a very powerful system that's worked strongly for us this week. And the results from coming into the Accelerator program using Innovation Engineering 3.0 on Monday and where we've got to at the end of this week have been quite frankly extraordinary. Faster than ever before, sharper than ever before, and much more effective. I think there's a couple of things. One is you've got to be very, very aware of the right type of partners for your brand, for your strategy. But beyond that, you've got to make the right personal connections. It's got to work, it's got to be a real fit. But what we found here, by putting some system behind it, is we could much, much more quickly get from the initial chemistry building through to a sensible process in real time to take this forward, an idea of testing that works for both parties, that makes it safe, that makes you able to test and trial things, and also putting so much rigor, structure and speed behind it. So I think that innovation engineering is a new way of kicking up a notch potential collaborations to the benefit of both parties. My perspective on the whole innovation engineering process is it is utterly unique. And to me, it is something that is essential for our business to use in order to develop effectively into the future. It is leading edge, it involves your total business, it does it in a disciplined, cost-effective, extremely rapid way. And to me, it is the gold standard in terms of business process around the world. I've enjoyed it. I would recommend it to anybody. I think all major companies should look at this from a holistic way, from blue cards through to ideas, through to development. I would earnestly recommend that companies should put their people through the black belt process, through into Innovation College, because it is the way forward, it is the new way that really does work to build your business.